Today we're gonna make a couple different recipes using Clover Valley Farm ingredients. I'm gonna start by making a Rosemary Honey-Mustard Chicken Salad. I'm gonna be using our rosemary honey mustard. I'm gonna be using our shrubs and a couple of different vinegars that we make in Duluth. So I started by sauteing 2 chicken breasts. A way to stay local in the winter months, you can buy local chicken, you can buy local produce. Farming comes from both sides of my family. I don't know, I've always been interested in food and growing gardens, just what I love to do, being outside, working with my hands. Looks like 4 or 5 celery sticks. I like to split them down the middle. And celery just adds that like green freshness to salads. Grab a tongs or use your clean hands if you're at home. And now I'm gonna mix up the rosemary honey mustard dressing. 1/2 cup of mayo, 1/4 cup of shrub. A lot of salad dressings and coleslaws and that kind of thing call for sugar or honey, and with a shrub, it's already in there, so it makes it really easy. We make everything from scratch, and we grow all the ingredients on the farm as well. So at Clover Valley Farm, we grow apples, rhubarb, currants. We wild harvest spruce tips. We wild harvest June berries, anything we can find in the area. That is our goal. It's either to grow it ourselves or find it locally. Yeah, that's definitely very important to us. So I'm gonna add a couple, I would say 2 tablespoons of the rosemary honey mustard. And then of course you gotta add a pinch of salt, pinch of black pepper, pinch of thyme. I develop the recipes a lot of times for the shrubs and the mustards and sauces we make, and they kind of just let me have free reign because they trust me now. Shake it up good. 30 seconds to a minute. Give it a whiff, smells delicious. Pour it right over the top of your salad. Local is so important because you're directly supporting your neighbors. You're putting money back into your community. You're taking care of your community, taking care of the land, being stewards of the land. So that's why it's important to me. Yeah. Last but not least, I like to add some sort of fruit. This is dried cranberries. Voila, there you go. Rosemary honey mustard chicken salad.